See, consider the differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos x. Y of 0 they given 0, y of pi by 3 is dash up to 2 decimal places, right. So, up to 2 decimal places we need, right. So, first we can solve this, then only we can find out y, right, at a particular value of x. This is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. In this case, this is a first order linear differential equation. To solve first order linear differential equation, what is the method we discussed? For solving first order differential equation, we should find integrating factor, right. So, y into integrating factor is equal to integral this q of x into, right, q of x into if dx. This is the format. But y into what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to integral p of x dx. This is integrating factor, right. Then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral, what is p of x? Instead of this is p of x, y coefficient, that is tan x, integral tan x dx. Now e raised to integral tan x is equal to, right, that is log sec x, right, log sec x plus, right, then log e cancel, then sec x is the answer, right. Then once I get a y sec x is equal to q of x means this part, that is cos x, then cos x, and if is already we solved, that is sec x, then sec x dx. Now cos x is sec x is 1 by cos x, then cancel, then 1 only, then y sec x is equal to integral 1 dx, then y sec x is equal to x plus c, right. Now we can solve, next our aim is solving c, right. For solving c, they given one condition, y of 0 0, right. That means y of 0 0 means here cos 0 1, right, sec 0 also 1, then we can put this is 0, y is equal to 0, then sec 0 that is 1 equal to x plus c, x also, right, 0 0 plus c, then c is c you can take as 0, then what is y by this is 1 by cos x equal to x, c is 0, right, then y is equal to what? X cos x. Now we need y of pi by 3, right, y of pi by 3, y of pi by 3 is equal to, right, y of pi by 3 is equal to, see, put x is equal to pi by 3 into cos x, right, cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is what? Cos pi by 3, that is cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Then pi by 3 into cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, right. Then pi by 6 is the answer. Pi by 6 is 3.14 divided by 6, that is 0.52, right, 0.52. You have to write for 2 decimal places, then 0.52 is the answer, right.